Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to make a bouncy bullet game in Scratch. So the idea behind this project came from a TikTok video which I saw and wanted to recreate it by myself in Scratch platform. And this is the first part of the tutorial series of bouncy bullet game. Now let's get started. First of all, let's get rid of this stupid cat. Now let's click on the choose the sprite menu and click on the paint icon, and here we are going to make a case sprite from which bullet is going to be bounced. So let's select our color. So I will select a brownish orange color, and let's select the paintbrush as well and set the size of the paintbrush to 50. Okay, now let's start drawing. So let's start from the bottom right corner and make the case. So make sure you also draw the similar type of shape of case for this game because the shape of the case matters in this game. Okay, now our case looks ready. Let's click on the arrow tool and let's drag it a little bit downwards and look at the stage and canvas as well, so that our case aligns according to the stage. So our case looks perfect for us and it is aligned. Now let's rename our sprite case. Now let's go to choose a sprite option and click on the paint, and this time we are going to make the gun sprite. So let's rename the sprite to gun, and let's select the color. So we are going to choose a silver white color for the color of the barrel of the gun, and we are going to choose a square shape or the rectangular shape, and let's also select the border and make the border with about 5 or 6 pixels. And, let's create this body of the barrel and make sure to center it in the center of the canvas, and make the barrel of the gun a little bit longer, and make sure to center it like shown in the video, and make sure that it is pointed in the direction as shown in the video. Now let's click on the codes tab and adjust the size of the gun. Let's make it 40 and let's drag it downwards like this. Now let's click on the choose the sprite option and click on the paint. This time we are going to make the gun body sprite, so let's rename it gun body, and we are going to choose a rectangular shape and draw the rectangle, and make sure to place the rectangle in the center of the canvas. And let's make another rectangle like this, and this is our gun body, and let's drag it downwards. And now we can see the gun is been hidden or has been overlapped by the gun body. Now let's fix this issue. So click on the gun sprite and let's go to events menu and drag a when green flag click block, and go to the looks menu and drag a set to front layer block, and just click on the green flag, and our issue is fixed. Now let's click on the gun body and adjust its size. So let's make the size to 50% and drag the gun body downwards like shown in the video, and adjust its position and adjust the gun position as well like this. Okay, now let's fix the position of the gun. For that let's go to the motions menu and go to XY block like this, and whenever we drag it elsewhere, if you click on the green flag, it will come back to its original position. Now let's click on the gun body and repeat the similar process. Click on the events menu, drag a when green flag click block. After that, go to motions menu and drag go to XY block, and whenever we drag it out of the place, If we click at the green flag, the body goes back to its original position. Next, let's click on the case sprite and repeat the similar process. Drag a green flag, click block, and then go to XY block. And if we misplace the case like this, then if we click on the green flag, it will go back to its original position. Now let's click on the gone sprite, and it's time to make the gone point towards the direction of mouse pointer. For that, let's click on the control menu, drag a forever loop, and then let's go to motions menu and drag a point towards the direction mouse pointer block inside the forever loop. And if you click on the green flag, now the gone follows the mouse pointer. And if your gone is not following the mouse pointer or pointing towards the mouse pointer correctly, then make sure to check the costume tab and look at your gone pointing direction. It needs to be pointing towards the right side, and you can fix it. Thank you, and see you in the next part. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. See you.